What's up, y'all? It's your girl KDiani here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these large knee-length knotless braids. Now, the hair I'm going to be using today is bee leaf hair. It is from Amazon. They sent me 8 packs of hair, and what you're going to need is some jam, an edge brush, a rat tail comb, maybe some scissors. But this hair comes in 26 inches and it's in the color 1B. Now, before I get any questions in the comment section, yes, I used all 8 packs of the hair and I had 25 braids in my hair. So the first thing you're going to do, of course, is section out your hair. As you can see, I have 2 mirrors because I struggle with parting my own hair because I'm doing my own hair. So go ahead and section your hair out. Try to get your sections as neat as possible. If you need to use 2 mirrors, go ahead. If you have someone available, please let them help you section out your hair, because this is the most tedious part when it comes to doing your own braids. Alright, so here I'm just showing you guys quickly how I have my pieces set up. I am only going to be using 9 to 10 pieces to achieve the kind of like medium large type of braid, but my camera did die, so I'm going to show you guys a closer up look in the next clip. So this is the first braid completed. It's pretty long, took me a little minute. And then now this is the first piece size that I use when I insert my hair to braid. So what I do is I do a little braiding of my own hair first, then I add in the first piece, I braid it down probably like twice, then I add in the second piece. I do the same thing, braid it maybe like 2 or 3 times, maybe even 4, until I add in my next piece. And I continue with the same pattern all the way until I get to the bottom. So as you guys see throughout the clips, you're gonna just see me adding in the hair. And as you can see, the pieces of the hair do gradually get thicker in size, but once I get to piece like 8 through 10, the pieces do get smaller because you do want the ends of the braid to be smaller and thinner, you know, like that tapered type of look that braids should have. Like, your braids shouldn't be thick at the end when you finish them. So this is both of the braids completed. As you can see, this is the ends, what I'm talking about. They're supposed to be thin. And then I just wanted to show you guys all of my pieces, how I had them set up for each braid that I do. I don't have a braiding rack, but this is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to show you guys a closer up look in the front. So you're going to want to glaze down your section, because remember, you want them to look really clean and sleek. And I like to take out my baby hairs because I personally like baby hairs. So then once you're done there, go ahead and just flatten out and smoothen out that section that you're getting ready to work on. And like I said when I showed you in the previous clips, that I start braiding my hair first. I probably braid it like once or twice, and then that's when I add in my first piece of hair. As far as knowing when to add hair in, I usually just go after like the 3 pieces that I already put in. I braid like maybe 4 to 5 times until I add in the next piece of hair. Like I said, I'm not no professional braider. I don't really know. I just know what I know and what works best for me. So if you do plan on doing this hairstyle, just test it out and try it. It's really not difficult. It's really easy, actually. You know, I just go by eye and it just works out for me that way. But the next few clips, you're just gonna see me adding in the pieces and braiding, so you guys can get an idea of what I'm talking about and visualize the sizes that I used for the pieces to add into my braids. And here I am almost done. As you can see, it doesn't look too bad. My parts could be cleaner. They could be cleaner, but like I said, I was doing this by myself, so it was kind of difficult to section out, but it looks decent, you know what I'm saying? So as far as the rest of my hair, I did go ahead and part it down the middle, and for those half sections, I'm going to have 3 sections in those. So I'm not going to talk for the rest of the video because I feel like I've spoken too much already. And I'm just going to show you guys this last little braid that I'm doing, and then yeah, I'm going to see the end results. So after 5 hours of playing with my hair, I'm going to use this argan oil mousse, and I'm going to put it all throughout my hair. Yes, I already dipped my hair in boiling hot water. And then to seal my ends, I'm going to use this olive oil hairspray that I seen Argan Tay use, and I'm going to just spray the ends of my braids just to seal them in so they don't unravel and they stay looking all sleek and stuff like that. But that about wraps up the video. This is the hair. I really do like the braiding hair from Believe. So if you guys like this hair, make sure y'all go check it out on Amazon. The link is in the description box. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. Most of all, don't forget to turn on your post notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Till next time, peace.